शॉर्ट फिल्म सेक्सोहॉलिक में बोल्ड और हॉट सीन्स देने वाली अदाकारा समा सिकंदर अपनी आने वाली माया सीरीज के बारे में मीडिया से मुखातिब हुई हैं। अपने शो के बारे में समा ने कुछ जानकारी हमसे साझा की है।
माया इज वेरी इमोशनल. It's going to be a very, very, very emotional series with a lot of twists and turns, and it's more realistic, I would say. It's not like a typical show or series that you have seen so far in India. It's more realistic. It's on a very big scale, and I'm very excited to work with Vikram. And it has come out really nice. Right now I'm dubbing for it, and I'm so excited. I just can't wait for it to go online and people can see it.
इसके साथ ही समा ने सीरीज के डायरेक्टर विक्रम भट्ट के बारे में ये कहा।
I think it's been the best so far. I have never ever worked with a director who's so clear in his vision, and he's funny. He is thorough. He's a professional, and he's a great human being. So that is a great combination to have, in a director. When your director is a good human being, he knows when you are actually emotionally disturbed, or he knows your human aspect. He doesn't look at you as a product. So that is a great quality that Vikram has. He's a producer also of Maya, and he doesn't look at us as a product or as he owns us. He looks at us as proper human beings, and he gives us that respect, and that is very rare to find. So I would say he is the best director I've ever worked with.
इसके साथ ही समा से जब पूछा गया कि सीरीज में क्या देखने को मिलेगा, तो समा ने ये कहा।
सब कुछ देखने को मिलेगा। माया is a bold love story. It's erotic, it's sensuous, it's emotional to another level. Normally जब आप एक जहाँ पर bold ये टैग आ जाता है, वहाँ पर लोग सिर्फ यही सोचते हैं अच्छा बहुत सारा सेक्स होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा, but it is not about that. This is a proper love story with a lot of intense scene in it, and with of course erotism in the background.
बताते चले कि समा ने ये मेरी लाइफ है शो से छोटे पर्दे पर डेब्यू किया था। देखना होगा उनकी ये सीरीज दर्शकों को कितनी पसंद आती है। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।